Hey everyone, my name is Tom and I work in product development for Back to the Roots. And today I'm going to show you 2 tried and true methods for getting your windowsill lavender planter started. Lavender is one of the most beautiful aromatic herbs you can grow, but it is a little bit tricky to grow from seed. So today, with a little bit of effort and these tried and true tips, we're going to get you growing. Let's get started. The first method involves planting directly in your mason jar. Plant at least 8 seeds near the center of your planter. Lavender has a lower average germination percentage, so give yourself good odds to get a couple of seedlings right near the center. After planting seeds a 1/4 inch deep in the soil, take care to water the soil delicately as to avoid displacing or uncovering the planted seeds. We recommend using a watering can with a gentle spray nozzle that will sprinkle your soil with water rather than a large stream nozzle or regular pour. Alternatively, a spray bottle can be another useful tool for delicate watering. Check your soil moisture level daily to ensure that your seeds stay consistently wet, and avoid extended periods away, like traveling for vacation, to be able to monitor your planter. Temperature and humidity are key parts of the germination process. Optimum temperature for lavender germination is 80 degrees Fahrenheit, so keeping your planter in a spot consistently near this temperature will go a long way to ensuring successful germination. To keep humidity high near your seeds, place the planter lid over the opening to trap moisture. In addition, you can use a spray bottle to mist inside the planter. The smaller droplets of water will more easily increase humidity. Lavender takes a little longer to germinate than most plants, but within 1 month of planting, you should see small seedlings emerge from the topsoil. Take care to water gently near these seedlings, avoiding too much water drenching the green stem and leaves. Our second germination method focuses on creating maximum humidity for seeds. The materials needed are a small Ziploc bag, a stack of 2 to 3 paper towels, a spray bottle, and your lavender seeds. Sprinkle your lavender seeds onto the paper towel. Use the spray bottle to dampen the seeds, and fold the paper towel stack in half, then spray again. Place the paper towels inside the plastic bag. Place the plastic bag in a spot that will remain consistently warm. Leave the plastic bag unsealed so that air can flow to the seeds, but check daily to make sure the paper towel and seeds remain moist. Lavender seeds will take up to 1 month to germinate, but you will be able to see seedlings that sprout very clearly on the paper towel. Once a seedling sprouts, use tweezers or careful fingers to remove the seedling from the paper towel. Transplant it into the moist topsoil of your planter, taking care to gently pack in soil around the sprout and root. Arrange so the very top of the seedling, with leaves starting to develop, pokes out of the soil, and add some more water around the newly transplanted seedling to settle the soil. Not all lavender seeds will sprout at the same time. As the additional seedlings sprout in your plastic bag, transplant 1 to 2 more into your planter, but spaced out from your existing seedlings. So there you have it, 2 different methods for getting your windowsill lavender planter started. And as always, if you have questions along the way, we're here to help. Reach out to us at backtotheroots.com. And from all of us at Back to the Roots, happy growing!